Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I'm Laura. Today is the 23rd of July and we'll be talking about natural gas. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 508 articles towards it. In the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive. The subjectivity is 37%, which means people are being rational. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 12.04%. Going to the chart, they're saying the RSI is overbought. Again, this is a daily chart, so we can see the comment section, they're saying the RSI is trading above 70. This could mean that either the price is in a lasting uptrend or simply just overbought, and that therefore a correction is in could shape. So we should look for a bearish divergence in the case, and the MACD is positive and above its signal line. The configuration is positive. The price is trading above its 20 and 50 days moving average, and the natural gas has crossed above its upper Bollinger Band as 3.9300. Below is a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, have a happy trading day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.